Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to create multiple profiles in Google Chrome on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you use Chrome for both personal and work purposes, or if multiple users share the same computer, creating separate profiles can help keep everything organized. Each profile has its own bookmarks, history, passwords, and extensions. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Now look at the top right corner and click on the profile icon. In the drop down menu, click on Manage Chrome Profiles. Here you will find an Add button. Click on plus icon. You can sign in or you can continue without an account. Here you can choose a name for the new profile. For example, you can name it work or personal. Now you can choose a profile theme or you can select an avatar. After that, click on the done button. A new Chrome window will open. With your new profile, you can now sign in with a different account and start using it separately. To switch between profiles, simply click on the profile icon again. Here under other Chrome profiles, you will see other profiles that you have created. Simply click on that. If needed, you can also manage or delete profiles from the same menu. Just click on the profile icon and then select Manage Chrome Profiles. Here you will see all the profiles. Creating multiple profiles is a great way to keep your browsing data separate and organized. So that's how you can easily create multiple profiles in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.